Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a house. In the previous one I showed you guys how to build one, obviously. Look at this magnificent house. Now in this one I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a house in creative mode. In survival. Well, first and foremost you'll have to chop down some trees. So we're just going to start with this tree right here. Chop, chop, chop. You'll have to break it with your bare hands. It's going to be a bit tedious and time consuming, but this is the fastest way of doing it, at least for now. Once we have 5 logs, then I'll show you guys a faster way of doing something. So create these logs into planks, make a crafting bench, make 4 sticks, put that crafting bench somewhere that you'd want it to be. I'm just gonna put it in this place right here. Do that. I'm not gonna waste much time. I'm gonna create a pickaxe. Why did I create a pickaxe? You'll see. I'm now just gonna dig right down, straight down, and done. Now we'll want 3 stones, 3 cobblestones. If you want more, you can obviously get more. I'll just get a few more right here, because why not? And then we'll just use the dirt to get back up. Now, why did we get the cobblestone? We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. Create an axe. And with this axe, now you can chop down trees faster. Now, after you've chopped down trees, just like in the previous video, start building your house. It's gonna be as simple as that. And if you're ever stuck with any crafting, just open up your crafting book, and over here it's gonna show craftable. It's gonna show you everything that you can craft with the things you have in your inventory as of the moment. And the stone axe also does something which is 9 attack damage, so you can go up and kill or do things to survive. Thank you for that. We got some seagrass. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.